hindi pala.
Ano masasabi mo, KP? Live.
Yes, we have the privilege tonight to make our country proud.
Yeah,
Because we're not here just for our own selves.
We're representing what?
Yes, we represent our humble beginning. Philippines is the place to be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we got Francis H in the house, yo. So what you gonna
Sana
say?
hindi maging grande H ulit.
Yo.
Magalit siya yung mga
It's Francis H, yo.
So this is the
This
time
is
before the
Francis
performance.
H, you know.
Not Francis M, not with the
Not
cancer, yo.
Francis M,
It's Francis H, yo.
Yes.
High class, not taking marijuana.
What can you say?
No, of course not.
Okay.
So you, Randy, what can you say before the performance? What
That-
inspires you to do this performance?
First, we got the taller guy in the house, yo. I'm the
Hey,
tallest.
tallest guy, especially while sitting.
What can you say about our group, man?
Nothing to say.
Nothing.
Just watch us.
Okay. Just hold the video for me. Just hold the
Spectacular,
video
you
for me.
And then here's our maniac, main man. I'm sorry.
Who's that over there?
You know, I only got one thing to say for you out.
Oh, you have said a lot of things already.
I only got one thing to say to you guys out there in the Philippines, because you know, this is
Parang
my
si
first
Billy Joe
time-
Crawford lang, oh.
First time to represent.
Kamukha mo si Billy Joe Crawford pag malayo.
First time to represent my country, Philippines, especially with my boy bands here. Also, I would like you to give me some strength.
Lumaking Billy Joe Crawford at lumaking Chan.
And also, give us some thoughts, yo. Thank you. Please, yo, break it down. Thanks.
Sexy mo naman. Wow.
Dito ka muna.
Oh, dito.
Nainitan ka pa, ka. Palamigin kita. Minom kang tubig. Ito nga pala yung isang sasayaw ng buttons. Push the buttons. Push the buttons, let me know you better push the buttons.
Ano to? Di ba tumunog na? Ito.